Okay, hi, I'm KT. So today it's a video on explaining the difference between the weekly and monthly options. So I think if you are diving into options trading, you'll probably encounter both weekly and monthly options. So what are those? So let's take a look at an example. Let's look at NVIDIA and we look at the options tab here. So as you can see, the options tab here, you can see there is February 21st, 2025, all the way weekly options to April 4th, 2025. And you can see that there is a W that denotes the weekly options. And subsequently, you can see the monthly options like from April 17, May 16, 2025, June 2025, all the way to the year 2027. Okay. So we will explore the key differences between these two types of options, the weekly options and also the monthly options. And this will help you decide which might suit your trading strategy best. So let's get started. So obviously back to what options are. So options are financial contracts that give the buyer the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price before a specific date. So predetermined price is the strike price. The specific date is your date of expiration. Yeah. Okay. Now options can be categorized mainly into weekly and monthly options. Okay. So weekly options, as the name suggested, typically expire every Friday. So 21st of February is a Friday, 28th of February is a Friday. Okay, so these are short-term options that were introduced to give traders flexibility. They are perfect for exploiting short-term news events or trends. So consider the weekly option as being agile players on the field. They allow traders to capitalize on market movements over shorter periods. But with increased frequency comes increased volatility. So let's take an example of last week where there is PPI and CPI results coming out, and also there are earnings release dates for some of the stocks. So weekly options can offer higher potential returns, but they also come with higher risks. So it's ideal if we have a strong short-term market view. Uh, okay. However, on the other hand, for monthly options, tend to be more stable and have lower volatility compared to their weekly counterparts. So let's say if we look at the strike price at 140 is 1180, right? If you look at May 1345 and then June 20, 140, 15. As you can see, it's quite stable, the increment in the premiums when you sell these options. So they provide a broader window to analyze and act on market trends, making them favorable for long-term traders and those hedging portfolios over extended periods. So there are some strategies like the leap strategy, where options are being bought or sold in months or years. Okay. So as we can see, weekly options, the difference in the premium 139 about $3. 139 about $7.10, difference of $3.10. When you look at March 7th, it's $7 85 or 88 cents in the middle. So from February 28 to March 07, the increment in premium actually decreases. It's not as significantly from February 21 to February 28. Okay. Yeah. So this is uh, typical of weekly options because they are quite volatile. Okay. Now, let me summarize the main differences. Expiration frequency, weekly options expire every Friday, while monthly options expire on the third Friday of every month. Okay. Volatility, weekly options often experience higher volatility due to the shorter time frame. Monthly options typically offer lower volatility, providing stability. So the trading strategy fit, weekly options. It's suitable for short-term trading strategies aiming for a quick profit from immediate price movements. While monthly options, they are beneficial for longer-term strategies, allowing time to adjust to broader market changes. So in essence, the choice between weekly and monthly options depends on uh, individuals' trading strategy, risk tolerance, and market expectations. While weekly options can offer rapid tactical opportunities, while monthly options provide strategic plays over longer periods. So, I think understanding the different expiration dates is key to being successful. So for me personally, I do weekly options and sometimes I do monthly options. It really depends on how the price action of the stocks and the market movement is. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics that you would like me to cover in the future videos. So thanks for watching. So have a great day, everyone. Yeah, so signing off.